How different would our world be without the influence of Elon Musk? Imagine a world without Tesla and SpaceX and all the companies he founded. The world would be missing quite a handful of technologies for sure. In this video, we'll be showing how the modern world would be like without Mr. Musk's technological initiatives. It should be pointed out that this will be based on the assumption that no one else would have done it but him only. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Kevin Rooke asked and answered this question back in April of 2020. Where would America be without Tesla? In his post, he explored the growth of Tesla and all the other EVs side by side. The evidence is pretty clear. Tesla outsold all other EV brands in 2019 by a wide margin. The Model 3 made headlines around the world for many different things. It had almost 3 times as many sales as the world's number 2 EV, and was the first to break the 300,000 sale barrier. The Model 3 was the best-selling vehicle in the Netherlands and Norway, the 4th best-selling vehicles in Switzerland, and the 7th best-selling car in the US. Tesla's success pushed many automakers to get more serious about electric vehicles and has surely hastened the market's transition to EVs. You might not notice, but this will bring significant effects to our planet in the far future. Tesla practically ignited the beginning of the EV era. In time, EVs will eventually replace the modern vehicle today. We know how the continuous burning of fossil fuels slowly poisons the planet's atmosphere, and you can't deny the climate change the world is currently suffering. Every single day, we produce millions of new vehicles. If Tesla had not acted early, nobody would have. Typical human nature would have waited for the destruction to arrive before acting. Thanks to Elon Musk's initiatives, through Tesla, it gives our dear planet more years to spare, ultimately giving us more time as well. That was one industry. Another is SpaceX. This one is Elon's heart and soul. His dream is to get us to Mars and beyond. We've taken just the second step.
3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition and liftoff.
Vehicle's pitching downrange.
And we go.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition and throttle up complete.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Stage 1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Second stage is on a nominal trajectory.
Stage 1 landing burn. Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
Terminal guidance. Stage 2 FTS is safe.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Imagine being told by many people that you can't do it, and that whatever you dream of doing has to stay only a dream because it is impossible. If Elon Musk had listened to his many naysayers, critics, and even outright haters, we would not be where we are today. Among the most notable contributions of Elon Musk is the X.com, or what we came to know today as PayPal. It's the one we're probably most acquainted with and have the closest experience on the personal level. PayPal is one of the world's largest online payment systems, which is currently available in at least 26 currencies and 203 countries. What would modern-day buying and selling be like without it? Well, do you remember the days when we used to send check and money order to pay for online purchases? Oh, the agonizing pain of waiting. There's your answer. It seems like a lifetime ago. Those days are well behind us now, as PayPal has truly changed the world. Not only that, but more and more people are opting to use the online payment method rather than their credit card or debit card. But why is that? There are huge benefits to using PayPal over other payment methods. It's certainly made it a lot easier to buy things online. With this in mind, it wouldn't be wrong to say that PayPal has been one of the major catalysts in the growth of online shopping. 95% of people in the UK are now shopping online. Most of them have probably paid for goods via PayPal. Some of the top retailers that offer PayPal as a payment option include Amazon, Tesco, Apple, Asda, Next, and many more. It cultivates the internet and online shopping. You can buy items online 24/7 from your desktop computer, mobile phone, and allows you to transfer funds instantly, so you don't need to wait for a payment process before your goods are dispatched. You never know, depending on where you have bought your goods from, you could have it through your door the very next day. Imagine the convenience of that! Now, imagine it being gone. Hassle, right? Additionally, not only is PayPal used to buy goods and services, but it had been used to give or receive donations. It makes the world smaller. PayPal is fast becoming the preferred payment method for transferring funds online because it's simple and convenient to use. It has also broken down geographic barriers, which mean you can even buy things from Timbuktu. Not only is this beneficial for consumers, but it gives companies and small-scale entrepreneurs the opportunity to expand globally. PayPal is a cost-effective way for you to buy overseas goods. If you're an online seller who heavily relies on PayPal services, I'm sure you wouldn't want it suddenly disappearing. What will your business be without it? There's no doubt about it. PayPal has changed the world. Transferring and receiving money has never been easier. What people don't realize is that Elon Musk has not only revolutionized the auto industry, aerospace, and e-commerce industry, but has also given people dreams. He has inspired countless humans in the world. This is what a leader should be. One who leads by going with his heart, doing the research, and proving that his dream is possible. We need more of this. We need society to encourage more of this. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.